Welcome to Educare 247. So, we have an announcement from IIM Lucknow on their website. The new admission process, that is criteria, for the batch of 2021 and 23 has been announced on IIM Lucknow's website. So, in this video, we are going to make you aware about the new changes that IIM Lucknow has brought in their admission criteria, or what are the weightages that they have given to various components in the selection process that is going to happen. Alright, so let's get started with this. And before we begin, I would like to show you the flagship course that Educare 247 has, CAT Booster 2020, a 360-degree mentorship course. You can visit the website educare247.com mentioned over here, and you will come onto this page where everything regarding this flagship course has been mentioned. Alright, we have covered from A to Z that is required to crack CAT and get into the B school. That is preparation to selection. Alright, we'll be there with you unless your profile building and JDPI preparation is done. Alright, so this is a complete support right from your preparation to selection, as we have mentioned it on our website. So please visit the website, explore, and if you're serious about CAT, then certainly do join us. The next thing that I want you to be aware about is the current affairs that we have updated on our website. It is completely free. You can visit again the website, that is educare247.com. Go into this section that is current affairs, and date wise you'll have some of the best current affairs and economy news that you'll need. This will help you in two ways. One, you'll be aware about all the latest happenings. Alright. Second, your reading practice will be done. Third, it will be helping you in your GK in various other examinations apart from CAT, apart from your GDPI prep that you will be doing. Alright. So this will keep you in pace with the preparation without even knowing it. Alright. So please visit the website and you'll find this free content which is really cool. So IIM Lucknow's admission criteria 2021. The stage 1 is shortlisting for writing ability test and personal interview. Candidates will be shortlisted based on CAT 2020 score, previous academic performance, and other criteria as mentioned below. Alright. For PGP SM, minimum work ex of 24 months is an additional eligibility criteria. Alright. This PGP SM, many students won't be aware, is sustainable management. Alright. So PGP SM's curriculum stand out in the management education by means of offering specialized courses on system thinking, social entrepreneurship, externalities, life cycle management, stakeholder management, and public policy. Alright, this is what this course is about. You can visit IIM Lucknow's website and explore all about this course if you have got 24 months of work experience and if you're interested in this stream. Alright, let's get back to the shortlisting criteria now. So basically, minimum sectional and total cutoff percentile for shortlisting for what GDPI stage has been, what PI stage has been mentioned over here, not JD. Alright. So for general category, it's 85, 85, 85 per section and 90 as total. Alright. For EWS, it is 77, 77, 82. Similarly for NC-OBC, it has been the same. For SC, 55, 55, 70. Alright. And so on. You can refer this table according to the category that you belong to. Alright. So this has been mentioned for three flagship courses that are offered by IIM Lucknow. One is the PGP, alright. The other is PGP ABM, which is postgraduate program in agribusiness management. Alright, again this is a full-time residential course designed to develop agribusiness leaders, entrepreneurs and entrepreneurs with a vision. Alright, and the next is the PGP SM, that is sustainable management. I have already mentioned all about this. So in detail, cutoffs and minimum percentile that is required for shortlisting has been mentioned. Now one thing that a lot of students will have a doubt is, so suppose you belong to a general category, you have scored 85, 85, 85 and your overall score is also 90 percentile. Alright, per section you have scored 85 and overall is 90 percentile. Will I get a short shortlist? No, this is just one of the criteria. Alright, you have to be above this or at least on this. That is what they say. Now, what would be the cutoff would be an entirely different thing based on the formula that they have mentioned, which I'll show you in the upcoming slide. Alright. So basically now, since CAT is done, alright, we'll assume CAT is done. You will move on to stage 1B, that is calculation of composite score for shortlisting of what PI stage. The candidates securing above the mentioned minimum sectional and total percentile as in the previous table that I have shown you for the respective category in CAT 2020 will be shortlisted or considered for stage 1B. Alright, considered. The composite scores in stage 1B shall be computed based on the factors described over here. Alright, in this table. So first is your CAT score, Alright, your CAT score will have 60% weightage for all 3 courses. Then your HSC marks, they are not considering your SSC marks, that is 10th standard marks are not considered. Alright, so the weightage for 12th standard marks are 10% for all 3 courses. For graduation again 10 across all 3 courses. For work experience, for PGP it is 10%, for ABM it's not considered, and for sustainable management it is 10% again. Now DFA, this DFA means diversity factor, which is part A, which belongs to academic disciplines. So various academic disciplines like arts, humanities, commerce, economics, alright, medicine, all of them have some extra weightage given by IIM Lucknow. Alright, this has been mentioned on the website on the IIM Lucknow admission criteria for 2021-2023. You can refer over there. Alright, and your diversity factor B is based on gender. Alright, so girls get a 5% marks, alright, for gender diversity, alright, across all 3 courses. Also, work experience will be considered for this shortlisting up till 31st July 2020. Please keep this in mind. Alright, now when the composite scores are calculated in stage 1B, we come down to stage 1C, which is scheduling for WAT PI. The composite score based on stage 1B for candidates who qualify in stage 1A and the shortlist for WAT PI shall be available on our official website. This is what IIM Lucknow says. Such candidates shall be required to fill in and submit the WAT PI form online by stipulated deadline. So once you are shortlisted on basis of the composite score, they'll send you a form which you'll have to fill to appear for WAT PI. The candidates who fail to submit their WAT PI form online by prescribed time limit shall not be allowed for WAT PI process. Further, no more queries in this regard shall be entertained by IIM Lucknow. Alright, so what they are saying is candidates are advised to check official website of IIM Lucknow regularly after declaration of CAT 2020 results for updates notification related to admission process. Alright, this is just the process after CAT 2020. Now comes the stage 2, that is criteria for final selection of candidates for PGP, PGP ABM and PGP SM program. A candidate's final score for selection in all 3 programs for the batch 2021 and 2023 will be calculated on the basis of the assigned weights as summarized below. So, CAT will get a 30% weightage for PGP and PGP SM, whereas it will get 35 in PGP ABM. Academic performance, that is your 12th marks as well as your graduation marks, will be 5 plus 5 over here, that is 10. Diversity factor 5, work experience 5, writing ability test will be 10, and your PI will be 50. So after CAT, 50% of the marks will still be in your hand for this final score, right, for the selection. This diversity factor, you cannot do anything about it. Work experience, whatever it is there, so you cannot change it. This part also you cannot change. Whatever you have scored in your graduation, you have scored in your 12th standard also. Alright, so basically this CAT score, this writing ability test and this personal interview are all 3 factors that are there in your hand. Alright, they have also mentioned one thing over here. This is subject to COVID-19 situation at the time of WAT PI during 2021. Alright, so they have given this highlight over here. Some important points that they have also mentioned below the criteria. The minimum requirement for getting a pass in personal interview is 12 out of 40. So this is the minimum that you should score. Names of candidates who do not pass in PI will not be included in the final merit list. Alright, final discretion on academic category, that an academic program will be classified into rests with the admission committee of IIM Lucknow. So IIM Lucknow will decide it. Reservation policy. IIM Lucknow applies the Government of India reservation policy to central educational institutions. Alright. Any dispute concerning admission for the batch of 2021-23 would be subject to the jurisdiction of competent courts within the territorial jurisdiction of city of Lucknow only. So I guess there are not many changes in the shortlisting criteria from last year. The only thing that you guys should focus on right now is preparing for your CAT. Alright, you should pour all your efforts into preparation of your CAT 2020 examination, which is coming close now. So that's it in this video, guys. If you've got any doubt regarding the admission and the shortlisting criteria for IIM Lucknow, put it down in the comments below this video. Alright, thank you and happy learning.